it's me, Ainsley.
There's just, you know, like,
Hey guys, it's me, Ainsley.
so much water coming down.
Hey guys, it's me, Ainsley.
And me, Kennedy.
So this is my grandma's. There's a bad storm. This is actually better than the one we actually posted. This is at my grandma's house, great grandma's house, and but at her house it is actually hailing. If you can see the road in the background, you can barely. If you can see that, you can't even see the road. So,
You guys, you know what? Do you see that pipe right there? Do you see how much water is coming out of it?
We can't do that. Look, the TV.
The TV's back on.
The power. It's back on. Oh my goodness. The power. Okay, we're gonna show you from another window.
Let's go. These are these windows.
Okay.
Into these two.
So
These windows are the most popular windows.
So you see, it's raining bad.
That's the.
It feels like a tornado. If I go out there, I'm gonna be. Oh my goodness! Look at that car. It's like dripping.
That's ours.
Yeah, that's that white car. That white car is my grandma Carol.
Zoom in. And on the car, that's ours. Zoom in.
Yeah, like
That one's ours.
look how. Oh my goodness! Look, it's pouring.
Pouring. Do you see how much rain would be if I'm sitting on this couch over here and I'm like, oh, look at the rain.
You see, that's so awful. Like it's bad outside. No, guys, we're gonna show you from another block again.
Show them from this window.
Oh,
This is like
box, please move. So, see, this is literally. Do you see?
bathroom.
See that pipe? Wait, let me see. Wait. No, wait. Wait, shh. You see that pipe right over there? It's gushing water. It's gushing bad. Okay, sorry. Wait. No, I gotta zoom out. Okay, sorry. Sorry you can't see anything for 1 minute. Wait. Wait. Sorry. Okay, we're good. So this is my grandma's garden, and it looks bad. The rain stopped. It's going little. Okay, the storm's getting better, but maybe from just this angle or something. And actually, there's bears, and there was a bear walking. Can you believe that? There was a bear walking. No kidding. Well, sorry, I don't want to show you. I'm going to block my hand because I don't want my hand to be walking. Yeah? No. I'm already done. Like, it's so bad. What? It's bad. The power went out. Like that road, with the roads clearing up. The rain stopped, you guys, but the grass is wet. But it's still kind of raining. But I think it's the rain. So I think what happened. So bye guys. See you in the next vlog. Sorry it was not really a good issue.